The name of the platform I'm about to share with you right now is M2 Staking. And if you scroll down, you will see that I currently have 15 USDT in my invest wallet, and my brokerage wallet I have 1.50 USDT, in which I'm going to be withdrawing in this very video to show you that the platform really pays. So before we get started with this very video, I would like to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Please don't take any of these I say in this video as financial advice. Do your own research before you make any investments. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Cash Creation Clan, where we share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do it to smash that subscribe button and the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Also, if you want to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, visit this section on the YouTube channel homepage, in which you'll be able to see all our social medias. As you can see over here, this is my YouTube channel, partnership channel, massive Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle for collaboration and business inquiries, and my WhatsApp contacts for collaboration and business inquiries. So do well to join our social medias and join the family. Stay with me till the end of this video so that I'll show you how everything is done. For us to get started, the first thing you have to do right now on this video is to place a live withdrawal. So we'll go over to that section that is written withdraw, then we'll be taken to the withdrawal page. As you can see over here, there is only one method of withdrawal, which is the BEP20 USDT, as it is showing right now on the screen, and the amount I can withdraw right now is 1.5 USDT. So all I have to do is just input my wallet address over here, input my withdrawal amount, input my security password, and after that I'll click on confirm and my withdrawal will be placed successfully. So all you have to do is just to read everything that is showing right here for you to know how to make a successful withdrawal, and you can also see some benefits of the platform as it is showing right here. So right here I'll be placing my withdrawal address in this box over here. So after pasting that, I will input the withdrawal amount. I'll just click on all and it will be imputed automatically. Then I will input my security password right here. And now that I've inputted everything, I'll click on the confirm button and my withdrawal is going to be placed successfully. As you can see, it is currently loading, and as you can see over here, it says withdrawal success. So let us wait patiently and check how fast the withdrawal is and check when it is going to arrive into my crypto wallet. And boom guys, this is 1.5 USDT, which is exactly what I withdrew, and I have successfully confirmed it in my crypto wallet. Don't forget to leverage on this platform right now to make money for yourself. For you to get started on this amazing platform, go to the video description, click on the link, and you'll be able to register on this platform, or you can simply visit the pinned comment section. You also see the registration link. Don't forget to join all our social medias. Once you click on the registration link, you'll be brought to this section. So right here, if you click on get started, you'll be taken to the registration page where you'll be able to input all your credentials to get started. If you click on section written app, you'll be able to download their mobile app. Then if you scroll down, you see their platform advantages. As you can see over, it has a fixed percentage, which means the system automatically sets and accrues dividends on the deposit depending on its amount. If you scroll down, you will see the reliability guarantee, which means investors' funds are fully available to them at any time. Withdrawal is only possible to the wallet from which the investment was made. If you scroll down, you will see the allocation feature, and it shows right here, thanks to automated fund allocation, only the investor has full control of their assets. If you keep scrolling, we see other features of the platform. As you can see over here, this is their how to start investing in M2. Number one, choose the plan that best suits you. Number two, make a deposit of 3 USDT or more, which means the minimum deposit is 3 USDT. Then number three, receive dividends and withdraw them. If you scroll down, you see their plans, in which the M1 is 3 to 10 USDT, which is the minimum, and every single day you'll be getting 8%. If you scroll down, you see the second one is 10% every day and 10 USDT to 30 USDT. If you keep scrolling, you will see the third one is 30 USDT to 100 USDT and 16% every day. So all you have to do is to choose the one that is best suitable to you and the one that you can afford. So the first thing we'll do right now is just to click on get started right here for us to be able to register an account on this platform. So right here we'll input our email address in this section, then input our login password, a security password. You leave the invitation code the way it is, and after that you click on the register button and your account will be created successfully in this platform. Once you register an account on this platform, the first thing you are going to see is this pop-up right here. This is basically all the information you need to know about the platform, the withdrawal rules, the investment range, and all that. If you click on next, you will still see more of them, and it keeps going. Then all you have to do is just to click on this cross sign showing right here for you to remove the pop-up. And if you click on this, as you can see, it is showing me an unread message. As you can see over here, it is showing withdrawal. So if you click on it, you will see the withdrawal I made at the beginning of this video, 1.5 USDT. So let us go back to the home page. If you come right here, you will see I currently have 15 USDT in my staking wallet, and I've already made a withdrawal. So for you to get started in this platform, the first thing you have to do is to make a recharge. So you click on the recharge button. So you'll be brought to this section. As you can see, there are only 3 recharge methods: the Binance Bitcoin, the TRC20 USDT, and the BEP20 USDT. And my best for recharging is the BEP20 USDT. So I just click on the BEP20 USDT, and I'm going to see this barcode right here. So you can recharge by scanning the barcode, or you can just simply click on this to copy the withdrawal address. Then you go to your crypto wallet, make a deposit, and come back. Then you have to read all this. This is the steps in which you have to take for you to make a successful recharge. So after making a recharge into your account, you come back to your dashboard, refresh it, and the amount is going to reflect in your dashboard. So next you have to do is just to scroll down to make a stake. And as you can see in my balance, I had 15 USDT. So I'm going to input the amount I want to stake in this section, which is 15 USDT. Then right here I will input the number of days, which is 2 days. I want to stake for only 2 days, which means every single day I'll be getting 10% as it is showing right here. And in 24 hours I'll get 1.5 USDT. In 2 days I'll get 3 USDT. After making a stake, you can still collect your principal back, or you can decide to continue staking. Then I'll click on staking right here, and as you can see, it shows confirm stake of 2 USD or 15 USDT for 2 days, and I've clicked on confirm, and it is currently loading, and it says stake successful. If you go back to my wallet, as you can see, it has transferred from my invest wallet to my staked wallet. So every single day you'll be getting a stake. And don't forget, once you deposit, even if you have not staked, you'll be able to withdraw. As you saw at the beginning, I already made a withdrawal by just depositing. I didn't stake anything. Then right here, you'll be able to track your staking, in which the daily income is 1.5 USDT and so on. If you scroll down, you will see all the information about your staking, the 2 days plan, 15 USDT, 10%, and so on. If you go over to this section, you'll be able to see all the notifications in the platform about their latest updates. Let us go to these 3 lines, which is the menu, and that will explain everything right here. If you click on this section written history, you'll be able to see the history of all the transactions you make in this platform, either in your invest wallet or on your brokerage wallet. As you can see over here, this is the history of my investment when I deposited 15 USDT and when I staked the 15 USDT. If you go over to brokerage wallet, you also see when I made a withdrawal of the 1.5 USDT. It is going to show in this section all the transactions you make on this platform, which are all these: 15 USDT increase and 15 USDT deduction. If you go over to this section written support, you'll be able to contact their customer care support if you encounter any problem on this platform. As you can see over here, this is their official group, and this is the official customer care support. If you also click on this, you'll be able to contact their customer care support, their group, and their official customer care support person. Then if you go over to referral program, this is another basic way you can use to make money for yourself. Right here, you just have to copy your referral link and your referral code, and after copying it, you share it with friends and make more money for yourself. Right here, you'll be able to track the number of people that visited the site with your link but didn't register. Here, you'll be able to track the number of people that registered. Here, you'll be able to track the number of people that made investments. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the total income of your team's recharge. Then here you see your total team recharge, how much they've invested, and right here you'll be able to see the total team extract money, which is the money you got. And here you see my level, bronze level, because I invested in the second package. So if you scroll down, you will see that the level 1 you'll be getting 9%, level 2 5%, level 3 2%. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see other questions about the referral program. If you click on a section that is written settings, you'll be able to change the language from English. Then you'll be able to change your login password. You'll also be able to change your security password if you encounter any problem based on your security of your account. If you scroll down, you still see section that is written app. You'll be able to download their mobile app if you don't find it comfortable using their official website platform. If you click on this, you'll be able to log out of the platform. I believe that the step-by-step method shown in this video has been a very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video, share it with friends so that more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. I'll be signing out for now and hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel and other social medias we have right here so that you'll be able to get latest updates faster before the video is made. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.